So let's look a bit at the Chinese approach. The Western, like I said, the Western doctors, they define the problems that are associated with menopause as estrogen deficiency, that's all. In Chinese medicine, estrogen, along with other hormones, is actually considered as Jing. Jing is the essence. Jing is the essence that brings these secretions, for example, if we spoke about it. Estrogen is a kind of essence. And if we begin to think about it as one like that, it will be easier. Even the word essence is kind of nice, relaxing, and estrogen. So, just like I write here, carrots are a kind of vegetable, but just as not all vegetables are carrots, not all essence is estrogen. So, the functions that are performed by the hypothalamic pituitary axis are governed by the kidneys. So in menopausal women, the first approach is kidneys. Kidneys are the capacity to grow, to mature, to reproduce, to maintain stability, to generate blood and marrow, to adapt to stress, to repair body tissues. So basically, all our life, we begin by inheriting and we acquire essence, which is pulled in reservoirs, okay? The reservoirs of the kidneys, actually like the extra meridians. And it's actually disposed as needed. So during our life, we need it. For example, when I treat, it's another thing, it's the opposite, fertility, I used a lot these pools that these women restore and reserved over the years. So all the other organs and all the other body systems, okay, especially the fertility organs, they're actually dependent on the supply of the kidneys. So throughout our lives, we run the body economy as a deficit because all the time we are taking, and then come menopausal. So sometimes women ask, why I get the menopause in an early age? And it's a good question. A lot of times we see that women that suffer from menopausal symptoms very early, and when I say early I mean around 40 or 42, sometimes even late 30s, are women that they drain themselves over their life in their work, stress, bad nutrition, and actually our job is to all the time to get a bit funds, okay, to our storage. So as this way we will have this cash, if I can say, you know, it's like a cash machine. You put money inside and every time you take. If you take, at the end you have nothing. But if you put money inside, at the end you have a lot when you need it, okay? So it's like a saving account that we do for our body, and when we need it, we use it. So I think that's the difference between patients that come to us and we can help them quite easily, and the patients that come to us and it takes sometimes the treatment, but we will get to it. So the menopausal problems result from the diminution of essence and a consequent deficiency of qi and blood. This is something that we see quite a lot, because actually menopausal symptoms, and we will speak about it a bit later, they are like an excess situation, okay? All the heat that these women feel. So we feel they are in excess, but actually underlying this excess, there is a very, very strong deficiency, like I say, of blood and qi. And sometimes we need to actually nourish them really well from the inside to bring out the, to dispel this excess. Okay? So, essence is the origin of all yin, blood and moisture, and yang, qi and warmth. Symptoms of deficient qi, we will see quite a lot: loss of libido, stamina, dull-mindedness, poor memory, again vaginal dryness,